good agricultural practices, supporting them with nurseries and seed distribution to grow the finest of cocoa beans, which are roasted, grounded and pressed to extract cocoa butter, liquor and powder. Precision at every step ensures the perfect ingredients for our much-loved products. Quality and safety unmatched. Safety and quality are our promises. From ingredient selection to hygiene protocols, through rigorous testing and precise monitoring, compliance to HACCP and GMP food safety standards, and ISO 9001 certified manufacturing facilities, we ensure highest of standards from production to packaging, guaranteeing consistent best-in-class quality in every bite. Best-in-class manufacturing. We mix, conch and temper with precision, turning raw cocoa into smooth, rich chocolate. Conching refines texture and flavor, while tempering ensures perfect snap and shine. Finally, the chocolate is expertly molded, cooled and crafted to deliver the safest and highest quality products. We follow the same rigorous protocol for all our beloved products like Oreo, Bonvita and more. Advanced digitization. Excellence in production enabled by digitization. Our advanced systems monitor every minute detail, from ingredient handling to molding, while AGVs and conveyor systems streamline material movement. Real-time data, sensors and automated controls ensure precision, efficiency and reduced wastage, maintaining the highest standards in every batch. Packaged to perfection. Our advanced automated packaging keeps products fresh and flavorful. Protective coatings and hermetically sealed wrappers protect against moisture, light and air. Over 98% of our packaging is designed for recyclability. Each package is meticulously checked before dispatch to maintain top quality and reflect our brand's excellence. Packaged to cold chain mastery. Our cold chain logistics maintain the perfect conditions for our products. From manufacturing facility to retailer, we use temperature controlled transport and real-time monitoring to prevent melting and spoilage. This meticulous care ensures every bite arrives fresh and delicious from factory to shelf to give our consumers the best eat experience. Retail ready. Consumer happiness drives us. It is at the core of our decision making. Beyond production, we ensure flawless distribution to retailers. We educate and support them to maintain quality through careful storage and handling. By actively engaging with retailers and consumers for feedback, we continuously refine our products and processes to ensure the very best snacking experience. Delivering the right snack for the right moment, made the right way. Retail ready. Consumer happiness drives us. It is at the core of our decision making. Beyond production, we ensure